Sonal Mansingh ji, I'd like to come to you. The theme is simple. Does India need Modi? Dr. Sonal Mansingh ji.
Modi ji has said, Amrit Kal. Amrit Kal is here. Amrit is the elixir of life, ambrosia.
Yes, sir.
Immortality. Our nation is immortal. Bharatvarsh is immortal. He has given back our self-respect. He has joined us with the Atma of Bharat through culture, Vikas bhi, Virasat bhi. There is progress, there should be progress, and there should also be culture, civilization. I mean, the Kumbh, Mahakumbh,
Yes, yes.
it set a world record as nothing else. There is bringing back the antiques, our nation's treasures, which were looted, which were stolen, which were sold, bringing them back. And the country is giving them away. That is a big miracle. Just think of the Nari Shakti, the women. I mean, he doesn't talk, he walks the talk. He says, Nari Shakti, here we have not only President Draupadi Murmu, but on 26 January, when you see these kartab, on the motorbikes, you see them everywhere, women everywhere, holding positions of power. The Mangalyaan, the scientists were women, very humble with beautiful flowers in their hair, and the tilakam, and the elite society, the glitterati, the chatterati, they laughed and they smirked and they said, ha ha, these women. Yes, Modi ji has proved that in humility lies greatness. He has no problem washing the feet of the humblest of the humble. He has no problems giving credit to wherever it's due. You remember Dr. Somnath, ISRO chief,
yes,
when
yes.
it failed,
yes,
the moon mission failed, and he hugged him and he wiped his tears.
I remember
it
that.
reminded me, actually it's not a good example, but of Sri Ramchandra with the Nishad, hugging. My God, Modi ji has a heart of gold, but he's like the coconut. He's hard outside, and he's so komal, full of love, full of bhava inside. And his bhava flows for the country, for my Bharatvarsha, Ek Bharat, Shreshta Bharat. And he wants that Amrit Bharat to happen in 2047. He has given the roadmap. So clear, the clarity of his mind is absolutely boggling. Clarity, culture, Gyan, the Gyan, this thing, just finished, the manuscripts mission, the international conference. What a thing he has given. His visions are amazing. I'm sorry to say that I may be called a Modi Bhakt, I have no problem there. But why should we mince words in giving credit? The man has nothing else but Bharatavarsha in his mouth, in his eyes, in his Panchendriya. He lives for it, he breathes for it.
Yeah.
And then one more thing I would like to add, that this man, when he says, I know I'm targeted, मैं उसके लिए तैयार हूँ. छाती ठोक के जो बोल सकता है. My God, 100,000 namans to this man, where people and politicians want guards and this and that, and they say, oh my God, where shall I run away? If things happen, situation happens, where shall I go? Modi says, here I am. कर लो जो करना है. मणिपुर में क्या बोल के आए हैं? आसाम में क्या बोल के आए हैं? And he means it. And that is where our विश्वास, सबका विश्वास मोदी के ऊपर है, सबका साथ मोदी के साथ है, सबका प्रयास मोदी के प्रयास के साथ है.
Fantastic,
And
Sonal
I'm
Mansingh.
very, very proud to be an artist in this era and time.